Hello everyone, welcome to Windows Wednesday. Today we will discuss how we can control multiple devices using a single mouse and keyboard. You must be wondering why we need to do that. Just imagine that you are working from home and you have your office laptop as well as your personal laptop. And you are working on both of the laptop on the same time. Your both laptops are next to each other. It is still very difficult for you to jump from one machine to another. By using this feature, you will be able to control both of your laptop using a single keyboard and mouse. Either you're using a built-in keyboard or using an external keyboard. There is no hardware required to achieve this. Back in days, we used to have a hardware, KVM, to perform the similar task. Now software has replaced the hardware and you don't need to buy or add any additional hardware to your laptop to perform this task. Let's jump on Windows 10 to see how we can achieve this. First of all, we need to go to this link to download an application from Microsoft website called Mouse Without Borders. The link will be available in the description of this video. So once the file is downloaded, please install it. Follow the usual boring installation instructions and complete this task. Now we have to perform the similar task on our second machine as well. In this scenario, I'm connected to my second machine using Teams Viewer to install the same application, so which I'm doing right now. Once the application is installed on both of our devices, then we have to pair the devices using a unique key. The same way that we pair our mobile devices with our laptop using a Bluetooth pairing connection. So once you do that, open the application on both of your laptops, and as you can see here is showing the security key. Now the security key is unique to each machine. Then you have to use the same security key on both of your machine if you want your machine to talk to each other. And you also have to add a device using their device name as well. So as you can see on my first device, I'm going to copy the security key from my first device to my second device, and once that key is copied and it recognizes the device, then I will have to add a computer name to my second device as well for it to communicate properly. As you can see that I'm typing a computer name from my first machine onto my second machine, and as soon as I type my computer ID and click apply, and now as you can see my both machines are connected to each other. Now I can drag and drop my files, I can copy and paste from one laptop to another. I can perform same feature the way you do while you're working on two monitors. So or if your lap monitor is not on the right location, you can always have a feature to change the layout of your setting. You can add up to 4 laptops using this application. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you want me to cover any other topic, leave the comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.